Hi, today we're going to talk about accessing your MBA complimentary education. Log into MBA.org and click on Conferences and Education tab. Then click on Education and Courses. To access the complimentary education in the right-hand navigation bar, click on Complimentary Education, and here you'll see any upcoming webinars which are free to MBA members. It will show the name of the webinar, that it's complimentary, and which business segment it focuses on. You may sign up for any of these webinars and access any webinar recordings in this area. Lower down in the page, we have 16 select self-study courses, all complimentary for MBA members, 4 commercial multifamily, and 12 residential member courses. To register for the course, simply click on the course and you will purchase as a member. It is $0. So you'll purchase and you'll go through the purchase of the course, proceed to checkout, note that it's $0, complete your order, and you're all finished. When you're ready to take the course, you will refer to either your learning center, which I'll show you in a minute, or you will receive an email with instructions to access the course. You may access your courses in your MBA profile. If you need help signing into your MBA profile, please refer to that video. Once you're in your MBA profile, you can access many things, one of which are your enrolled courses. So here you would click on Take My Enrolled Courses. And you can either take a class that you've already started or go to your learning center to access any classes that you have been registered for or have registered yourself for. Simply click on the class and you'll be able to go through by clicking Next on each course. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for being an MBA member.